Hi, I'm Matt from Bridgewater, Nova Scotia. I'm reviewing the T-Fal Stainless Steel Cookset, which I've put to the test by cooking some pasta and an omelet.
Now you can see we have the pots out of the box, and one of the unique features that we really like about these pots and pans is the T-Fal thermospot heat indicator, which allows us to cook at that optimal temperature without overcooking. So we decided to try this out with an omelet because eggs tend to stick to the pan if you don't have a good nonstick surface and heat them at the optimal temperature. So this worked out really well. Um, as you can see from the end results, the pan did a great job not sticking, and we ended up with a nice, evenly cooked omelet in the end. I would recommend the T-Fal Stainless Steel Cookset to family and friends.